So we picked up this Rubicon Steel bumper. About to throw it on right now. No more plastic bougie bumper. Check these clips out. They should come out. And where's the bolts? Alright. 4 bolts on each side. Shouldn't be too bad. So we got plastic under tray out. About to take out this bracket right there so we can get more room to grab the bolts. Now we just gotta grab those bolts. Where are they at? Those bitches right there. 4 on each side, and that's it. We got 2 more bolts to go, and we're done with this bitch. Try to yank this bit. A la verga, no mames. Finally got this shit off. Try to wiggle it off. I'm about to take the harness off so we can put on the new bumper. Just a few clips and it should come out. Harness is in. Then we just gotta bolt it back up. And we Gucci. All up in that coochie. So I got the bumper on bolted up. Everything's pretty smooth. There's old bumper. If anybody wants to buy it, let me know. It's not worth that much, but I got all the parts too. It's pretty good though. I like it. OEM for now until I find a better one. Full steel, so it's pretty dope. You can hit some people with it, if anything. Feel me? Looks way better, especially when there's a little bit more sunlight. Just gotta clean her up a little bit better. Coming along. First month having this Jeep. I've done a decent amount already. Alright, fellas. Catch you guys later.